I came and I saw these Doritos like this.
So many.
I was just looking for the Twix. It looks like it's gonna fall with like a shake. Oh, the A4. Give me the bag. Give me the bag. Oh, I thought it would give me the bag. Should I get another $1 for it?
If you want it, I don't care.
What if it gives me 3?
It's your money.
It's like right there. You know what?
You probably shake it and it come down a bunch.
Should I shake it?
No.
No?
Not worth it. Just throw it in, dude.
Oh.
It's not gonna come off.
I shook it lightly. I don't wanna.
I'm gonna buy another one.
Yes, I'll never forget Pop Tarts, Twix, Welch's. I don't like Welch's, so maybe the Twix.
Whatever you want, dude. It's your money.
You know what? I'm just gonna go for the bag of Doritos. I like Doritos anyways. They're pretty good. They're not the best, but they're good.
It's like the classic. I'm not sure if they're good. Kind of wish I bought
A4, right?
Yeah.
There we go. $2, 3 bags.
That's one way to get your money's worth. You know, like the school buys them at 25 cents each.
Oh well.
I'll be buying them back for like whatever. You got your money. It's funny.
Now my Pop Tart's stuck.
That one looks so beautiful. Nope.
Yeah, I'll just buy another Pop Tart. So we finally got the Pop Tarts.
Whatever, I'm going to class.
Okay.
You still gonna be here?
No, I'm just looking. Just like, do you think the Twix will give me 2?
Oh my
it looks
god,
like it's
just
gonna
forget about the candy. Just
No, I was just thinking. I didn't say I was gonna buy it. Okay. That's it. This is the both luckiest,
vending machine.
and it's the luckiest because I got 3 bags with $2. Not that bad. And then
Whatever someone wants to ship.